I had to have knee surgery due to a previous injury on my knee. I had injured it and it just got progressively worse through the years. I was walking 3 to 5 miles a day and that was fine, but it got to the point where I was doing less and less distance with the walking because of my knee. And it gave out on me a few times and I decided that this is time to get it fixed. And I came down to Health and Wellness Bazaar and they were very supportive and very good at their job getting me to a surgeon, and he reviewed the MRI and the x-rays and said that I was a candidate for it. After I got to the recovery home, I got here, they gave me a walker and they said you have to walk a little bit. So I shuffled to the room and got here. The next day I was up and walking, and I'm walking without pain, which is so important. And I'm getting out of here tomorrow and I'm going to be going home and continue with the physical therapy, and they're going to follow up with me once a week with a video chat, and they want to look at my wound once a week to see how it's doing. And I really respect that. So for me, I had a great experience. I would highly recommend this to anybody that has an issue with any surgeries coming up, especially knee replacement. It's been a great experience. I have to let my friends know about this, and that's how I came to be able to walk without pain.